Okay, can you just tell me what are you doing here?
Now we all are gossiping.
Okay.
We got some time to talk.
Okay.
We are asking everyone question and they are also asking me.
Okay. That means you are trying to teach them.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I can see that so many students are sitting in front of you and you are also sitting among them. And what are you doing here?
I'm just asking them some questions, and so that they will be fluent in English speaking. But we are gossiping a lot.
There. Okay.
In
That means you are
English.
gossiping in English so that we can speak English fluently.
Yes.
Okay. As they are junior students, you are also trying to teach them properly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Pihu, you are senior student and two of you are junior. Okay. What are you doing here?
I am gossiping with them in English that they can speak English fluently.
Okay. You are trying to teach them well.
Yes.
Yes. And you are talking in English.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. What are you doing here?
So I'm gossiping with them.
Okay. Why?
And they are junior student and we are senior, so we are trying to teach them, and we are gossiping.
Okay, you are gossiping in English so that they can say they become fluent very easily.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And Polami, what are you doing here?
I'm gossiping with her.
Gossiping in Bengali.
No,
Then
in English.
why?
Because if I don't speak with her in English, then she can't learn English and she can't speak in English. So
Okay, that's you are trying to gossip in English, and you are also trying to teach her
yes.
because she is junior student and you are
Yes.
senior. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. What are you doing here?
I'm speaking with them. That means I'm gossiping with them.
You are speaking with them in Bengali.
No, in English.
Why?
Because you told us to speak with them, and it's our spoken class, so we need to speak in English.
Okay, thank you.
came here to learn
Thank you.
English.
Try to help them and try to make them fluent. Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Okay, can you tell me what you're doing here?
We are gossiping
Why?
because we came here to learn English.
Yeah.
And this is also a spoken class. We need to speak here in English.
Wow. And you?
Because we have golden chance to speak now, we are gossiping a lot.
Okay, you are gossiping in Bengali.
In English, we are gossiping in English because it's our spoken class and every time we have to speak in English.
Okay. Now you. What are you doing here?
We are gossiping here, and this is also our golden chance. We are speaking here in English because this is our spoken class. And
Can I ask you what are you doing here?
Yes, I am gossiping with them
Why?
because if I will gossip with them in English, their communicate skill will be more improved.
Okay. That means if you gossip with them in English, they can improve their communication skill. That
Yes.
means they will be able to speak English fluently.
Yes.
So you are trying to teach them as you are senior students and they are juniors. So it's your duty to teach them properly.
Yes.
Yes. As we know that without practice regularly, it is impossible to speak English fluently. Okay, thank you.